Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into some common car maintenance mistakes you might be making. You know, the kind of stuff that can leave you stranded on the side of the road or, even worse, cost you a fortune in repairs. We've all been there. You're busy, you think you can skip a few things, but let me tell you, taking care of your car is way cheaper than neglecting it. Stick around to ensure your ride stays in top shape. Alright folks, let's talk about the dreaded check engine light. You know that little orange glow on your dashboard that seems to have a mind of its own? Yeah, that one. Now some people think they can just ignore it, pretend it's not there, especially if the car seems to be running fine. Big mistake. That check engine light is like your car's cry for help. It's trying to tell you something's wrong, and ignoring it is like ignoring a toothache. It might start small, but it can turn into a root canal, meaning a small problem becomes a major repair. We're talking about things like a loose gas cap, which is an easy fix, to a failing catalytic converter, which is going to cost you an arm and a leg. So the second that check engine light pops up, get your car to a mechanic you trust. Don't mess around with it. Let's talk about oil changes, the lifeblood of your car. Look, I get it. Life gets busy and it's easy to forget about that little sticker on your windshield telling you it's time. But trust me, skipping oil changes is like playing Russian roulette with your engine. Oil keeps everything running smoothly, lubricating all those moving parts and preventing them from grinding themselves to dust. When you don't change your oil, it gets dirty, sludgy, and can't do its job. That's when you start hearing those nasty knocking sounds, and believe me, you don't want to hear those sounds. We're talking about premature engine wear, decreased fuel efficiency, and in the worst case scenario, complete engine failure. So stick to the recommended oil change intervals for your car, and your engine will thank you. Chapter 3. Tire Tales. Don't get caught flat-footed. Now let's roll into the world of tires, shall we? These rubber lifesavers are your only point of contact with the road, so keeping them in tip-top shape is crucial. First off, check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires wear out faster, reduce your fuel economy, and can even lead to a blowout. Overinflating them isn't good either, making for a bumpy ride and reducing your traction on the road. Next up, tire rotations. This is like giving your tires a spa day, making sure they wear evenly and last longer. Don't forget to inspect your tires for any cuts, bulges, or uneven wear patterns. Catching these early can save you from a dangerous situation down the road. Remember folks, good tires equal a safe and comfortable ride. Chapter 4. Fueling up. Don't get pumped up over nothing. Alright, time to talk about fuel. It seems simple enough, right? You pull up to the pump, stick the nozzle in, and fill her up. Well, not so fast. Using the wrong fuel type for your car can lead to some serious engine problems. We're not just talking about putting diesel in a gasoline engine, which is a major no-no. Even using a lower octane fuel than your car recommends can cause knocking, reduced performance, and potential engine damage over time. So, check your owner's manual and make sure you're feeding your car the right fuel. It's like giving your body the right nutrition. It'll run better and last longer. Chapter 5. Wiper blades. See clearly, drive safely. Last but not least, let's talk about those often neglected heroes of clear visibility. Your wiper blades. You know those things that magically clear the rain, snow, and bugs off your windshield? Yeah, those are pretty important. But here's the thing, wiper blades wear out. Over time, they get cracked, brittle, and just don't clean the windshield effectively. And driving with poor visibility is like driving with a blindfold on. It's incredibly dangerous. So how do you know when it's time for new blades? If they're leaving streaks, chattering across the windshield, or making weird noises, it's time for a replacement. Don't wait until you're caught in a downpour with blurry vision. New wiper blades are a small investment for a big safety improvement. Outro, keep on rolling. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you avoid some common car maintenance mistakes and keep your ride running smoothly for years to come. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Drive safe.